Thank you for calling My Time Customer Support. My name is Lance. May I have your name, please?
Hello, I'm Lizelle, and I ordered the My Time Ultra last week. My Time Ultra smartwatch last week, and it hasn't arrived, and I'm really frustrated.
I completely understand how frustrating this must be, Lizelle. Let me help you right away. May I have your order number or the contact number used for the purchase?
I don't remember my order number, but my phone number is 0968-467-1577.
Alright, thank you. Let me check your details in the system. Okay, I see that your order was shipped on March 16, but there was a delay due to a routing issue. I sincerely apologize for this. Your package is currently out for delivery and should arrive by 6 p.m. today.
This was supposed to be a gift, and you didn't even give me any updates.
I understand, Lizelle. It looks like our system sent an email update, but it might have been filtered as spam. I'll make sure you receive a text notification in the next few minutes.
Alright, I just want to make sure it will be arriving today.
Yeah, I completely understand. To make up for the delay, I'd like to offer you a 200 pesos voucher for your next purchase. Would that be okay?
Yeah, that would be nice. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Your package is expected to arrive by 6 p.m. and I've also sent the tracking details to your number. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. You've been very helpful. Thank you.
Alright, I'm happy to assist. Lizelle, thank you for calling My Time Customer Support. Have a great day.
Thank you for calling My Time Customer Support. My name is Cherry. May I have your name, please?
Hey, I'm Lance. I'm interested in the My Time Ultra smartwatch, but I need to know if it's available in blue. Also, do you have any promos right now?
Great choice, Lance. Let me check the availability for you. May I know where you'll be shipping this to?
I'll be shipping it to Cebu City.
Thanks for waiting. The My Time Ultra smartwatch in blue is in stock and available for next delivery in Cebu.
Yeah, alright, great, awesome. What about the promos?
Yes, right now. We have limited time promo. If you purchase the smartwatch today, you'll get premium strap worth 500 pesos.
Yeah, sounds like a deal. How do I place an order?
You can order directly through our website, but if you'd like, I can process it for you now. May I have your full name and contact number?
Alright, sure. It's Lance Rubio and my number is 0929553777. Thank you.
Thank you, Lance. Your order has been placed, and I've sent it confirmation email. You'll receive your smartwatch by tomorrow. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Alright, that's all. Thanks.
You're very welcome, Lance. Thank you for choosing My Time. Have a great day.